visuals coming in from counting centers, but let's go also across to my colleague Tejashree, who's joining me from the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters in New Delhi. Tejashree, what's happening there? Has the action picked up? Is there a sense of anticipation? And what, on a scale of 10, is the level of confidence at AAP?
Well, Aam Aadmi Party is absolutely confident since yesterday evening, and in fact before the exit polls as well, they were saying that this is not the exact poll. The results will be the exact result, and in fact we are, as we mentioned, that we are standing outside Aam Aadmi party office, and we were showing the preparations that were underway, and in fact all the party leaders, not many, but yes, few of them have started arriving over here. The party spokespersons have also started arriving over here, and not just that, but the General Secretary of Aam Aadmi Party, Sandeep Pathak, is also here. Anurag Dhanda was here, and in fact what we are expecting is that as the trends will come in, other leaders of the party will also start coming over here. In fact, we will show you the visuals as to what is happening over here. The area has been barricaded over here. In fact, not just that, but a few meters away also the entire area has been barricaded, and in fact the stage is set from where Arvind Kejriwal is going to address, and in fact preparations are all underway. All the Aam Aadmi Party
leaders, we are getting leads. The first leads on the screen, 2 leads for the Aam Aadmi Party, 2 leads for the BJP. Well, nothing to choose from that. These must be the initial postal ballots that must be being looked at this point. But 2 leads for the BJP, 2 for the Aam Aadmi Party. JVC, are you missing a heartbeat? Because your numbers are on test, as are several other
I can see 1 lead here in our tracker, and that is coming from Dwarka for BJP.
For BJP?
Yeah, Vijayendra
Okay,
Gupta.
and Dwarka was one of the 13 seats. In fact, last time we looked at Rohini is the lead coming in. 13 seats expected to be extremely close. And those 13 seats, if we can just look at our graphics on the screen, the 13 seats which could decide whether this is going the BJP or the Aam Aadmi Party way, because the Congress Party, frankly, advertising for locks these days. So, just on a lighter note, Sanjay Jha,